Man, everything's just falling apart. I am on my way to the crash site of my brother that happened because somebody pulled out in front of him with this big ass truck. And I'll see y'all at the crash site.
I thought I seen him up there at the top of the hill.
If the cops fucking say that it was his fault, I am going to raise fucking hell.
Isn't there I wonder if there's cameras around.
Huh?
I wonder if there's like street cameras or something.
Probably.
Yeah, there's a cop up here. Oh yeah, he's sitting in the middle of the road. I don't know, you might have to go talk to him to see if we can even get around. Oh, they're all up there. Nobody's even...
My brother!
We want to talk to you. Fucking listen to me.
My brother had an accident up here.
Yeah, he said he was going to be a dick at first.
Well, it's okay.
Did he sound like an asshole too?
No, I just didn't know what the fuck I was doing.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's up there. Shut up, Milo. Roll up the window. Now. Roll it up.
Daddy!
Are you driving down there? I don't think that.
Keep it recording. Where's the truck? Gotta take pictures.
Don't see the truck? Hey. Stuff's gonna fall out. I'm gonna go to the hospital and get my neck checked out. I need you to go get a truck and get whatever falls out.
Like, go get a truck, like a box truck?
Rental, whatever. It's U-Haul, it don't matter. Just get a truck, come out here and pick it up. Alright?
Okay, I can go down there?
You don't see the fucking truck?
I mean, I can go down there?
Yeah.
That's my brother. And that's our truck that just split.
They got heavy machinery down there, and I don't want anybody down there while they're working. The troopers and the deputies will turn you around until you go back. For right now, until they get it all up. I mean, you can walk.
I just need to take a couple pictures for insurance purposes.
Well, they're getting ready to open this road back up until they have another heavy piece of equipment, so I really don't want you down there while they're doing stuff.
So, do y'all know exactly what happened?
Under investigation, that's all we can say.
This is fucking crazy. That is crazy. Hey, sir. I'm the brother of who flipped this truck. Okay. Do you know where it's going?
So if you want to go outside, go up there. I know Anthony's going.
Okay, yeah, they told me not to get too close because I think they're about to flip it up, or.
You can go talk.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. This is absolutely mind-boggling. Hey, man. All right, so when I get the truck, do I just load it up here, or?
I'd come back here first, and because I mean, we're already losing stuff. I'm not gonna be able to put it back in.
Yeah, I totally understand that. So, so I would probably, I don't know where I'm gonna park the truck at.
Alongside the road there, like.
Yeah, I guess I can do that. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a truck, and I'm going to get the stuff and put it in there, I reckon. So I'll be doing that. All right, thank you, sir.
And I gave him our card, so.
Do you have another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yep, thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you, officers.
Yep.
This is absolutely mind-boggling because my fucking truck is fucking destroyed. I'll get back to y'all when I get the truck. My truck, man, my truck. I mean, I don't care about the truck as much. I'm glad my brother's safe. I'm glad everybody else in that accident is safe. Because my brother just knew that he killed somebody, and it was not good for all the cars. And I didn't film the cars being taken out of there because, you know, people don't like their privacy being spit out there and all that stuff. But I did take pictures of the cars, and they were horrible. I don't know what to do. I really just want to cry. My brother could have lost his life. My brother usually doesn't wear seatbelts, and for some reason he wore a seatbelt today. Somebody was looking out for him, that's for sure. But I will get back to y'all at the crash site. Jesus Christ. Did anything fall out of the side?
We got it all, just a couple little things, and
Okay, so I can unload it at the yard?
go talk to the guy standing up there chaining the front of that trailer.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And this is the aftermath of everything. So, fucking all the tires came out. Yep. Yep. That's everything. Alrighty. Alright guys, well this is the end of this video. Awareness is, please be careful on the road, because you know every day is not promised, and my brother was fortunate enough to walk away with this just with minor injuries. Other people walked away with just minor injuries. Don't take every day for granted, because tomorrow is not promised. You can simply walk out of your house 1 minute, and the next minute you're dead. This is not the video I ever wanted to make, especially my brother being the main person in this accident. Yeah, me and my brother might get, bump heads a lot, and we might argue all the time, but I don't know what the fuck I would do if I ever lost my brother, and this is a scary, scary, scary situation, and I couldn't imagine, because I'm very careful when it comes to big truck. And yeah, and we just keep on pushing on and make the most of it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way through. I surely appreciate it. It helps me out. If you can, please subscribe to my channel. If you can like this video up, if you can leave a nice comment for my brother so he can see this, and I can read him all the comments. He's currently in the hospital right now getting checked out from his neck and everything like that, so just leave him a nice comment. Thank you guys, and have a blessed day.